Asteria, and I'm back with another video. Back. And today I am here with a hair collaboration with Asteria hair. And y'all, every time we collab, you already know it's about to go crazy. And they always send some amazing hair, and you guys got to get your hands on it. But if you would love to see how I achieve this beautiful highlighted look, then make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, babes, so first we're going to put our face powder like right here for a little camouflaged look. Okay, little camouflage look. So you want to make sure that you slick back your edges too. So yeah, I should have done that already, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna go back in like that and just pull back like that. Yeah. All right, y'all. So now we're about to go ahead and apply our wig. Y'all like my nails? I got my Valentine nails done the other day. Super cute. Yeah, super cute. Can y'all believe these was $160? $160 for these. I said, I don't know, but whatever. Gotta pay for them, so why not? Anyway, yeah, so let's go ahead and put our wig on. So y'all, today we got something cute. We got some highlights, and they already curled it for us. So all I gotta do is curl the top part where I curled it. I mean, where I plucked it. That's all I gotta do. Like, what? They already curled it for me. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we got this fully highlighted wig from the top and the bottom, and it comes with the elastic band for an extra snug fit. They got the combs. Y'all already know I tinted my lace because I was gonna bleach it, but when I saw them curls popping like that, I said, oh baby, I am not about to ruin them curls, because as soon as that water hit it and I get to washing it, I'm gonna have to recurl my hair all by myself. They did the hard part for me, so thank you so much, Asteria hair. We about to get to it. Okay, y'all, so we already got our ball cap on. I'm gonna have to push it back just a little tiny bit so you don't see the cap underneath, but we about to just go ahead and put it on. So let's get to it. Yo, the wig be trying to run from me. Don't run from me, come to me. All right, y'all, hold on. Let's get it fitting on good. Okay. This lace trying to take over me. It's all down my head. Oh my gosh. Okay, but it fits really good. It fits really good. So let's go ahead and cut this because I can't see. I cannot see. Be careful when you're cutting it. All right, that should be good. I'm here. All right, y'all. So I did not bleach the knots because, like I told y'all, I was lazy and I just didn't want to. So you bleach the knots if you want to, but me, I didn't want to. So anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and just cut our ear tabs and stuff, because do this look comfortable? It's like all on my ear and stuff. Like, that's not comfortable. So I'm about to go ahead and do this side, and I'll come back on this side. So y'all, I had to cut all that off because it was just down my eye. I can't be having it like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and adjust our ear tabs. Hold on, let me scoot my wig over a little bit. All right, yeah. Okay. So let's just cut this part off. Make it a little bit more comfortable. All right, y'all, so that's way more like it. All right, it fit on both sides and it looked pretty crispy, so let's get into it. So I think for this look, I'm going to be doing this spray right here. I'm gonna use this even spray just for something quick, like just something quick. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna do this side real quick, and then I'll come back and show y'all me doing this side. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I already did this side. So I literally sprayed this one time all the way across, and then blow dried it on hot, and then I blow dried it on cool. So now I'm about to show y'all on this side what I like to do. So you want to make sure that you hold your ear tab and be gentle, because I'm always making a hole somewhere, even though that part's going to be cut off. But just be gentle and make sure that it's on to your desired liking, because once this is down, you just don't want to do too much. Like, you want to just cut off the front, respray it, melt it. That's that. So this is what I did on this side. I literally just started here, sprayed it right here at the top, spray it, and then use your finger to like push it in, push the lace in the hair back. So yeah, and don't worry, like, it might seem like, oh, the top gonna be crunchy, but it's really not. So hold on, just keep going all the way down. Make sure y'all get y'all ear tab really good, because you want to make sure that it's staying down. Blow dry on cool. Well, blow dry on hot first, then cool. Okay, y'all, so comb all the hair back. And it look like that. It don't even have no light cast or nothing. Like, this even spray right here is really good. So yeah, I went ahead and cut off this side. You see a little bit is up because I'm going to re-spray it. That was just to make sure that my lace was laid and everything was laid. I'm going to go back in again and re-spray it. So let's just go ahead and cut the other side before I do that. That looked crazy, but just wait to the end process. If you have any crust or anything on it, you want to get it off because you want it to lay correctly. So get off any crust from the spray. Alright, y'all, so now honestly, to make this easier, I'm probably gonna just put it on my finger and then do that, because I don't want to dripping all down my head and all that. So I'm gonna just spray it on my finger and then just melt it in. So like this. On that part, now I want to go ahead and I think we're gonna do a middle part. So I'm gonna take some baby hair. So hot comb the hair out the way because we need all that right there like that. So I'm only gonna do those 4 baby hairs. So before we put our hair up, you kind of want to make sure that your middle part is decent, you know. So let's fix that a little bit. We're gonna use our RJ Cosmetics wax stick just to get it a little sleek, because it helps you part the hair better too when you use a wax stick. So, and I wish my rat tail comb was way more sharper. Okay, y'all, so let's pull our hair up, the rest of it, so we can put on our elastic band. Okay, y'all, so y'all already know, to really melt it for real, we're just gonna add a little bit again, just a little bit. So go ahead and put your elastic band on. When you put it on, make sure it's like a little tight. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable, but y'all know you gotta melt the lace, so what you expect? All right, y'all, so I got my elastic band on. It's a little tight, but I know my lace gonna be melted. I'm gonna push these to the side so I can see. All right, y'all, and now I'm supposed to go ahead and get to styling this top part. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna use our bio silk. Make sure you go get some bio silk, because it's gonna make sure that your hair is silky and just nice and luscious. So make sure you go get that. So I put that on first. Then I'm going with my wax stick from RJ Cosmetics. Make sure you go get that. And then we're gonna hot comb it. Okay, y'all, let's take off our elastic band. This thing tight, okay? Tight. Woo. Oh my gosh, when I say melted, I'm talking about melted. Don't play with that girl, she is not one of them. I told y'all, this stuff right here, the Eben, the truth. Okay, y'all, clean up any excess. Y'all already know. Clean up any crumbs. So I only had one there. Yeah, that's all I had. Oh, and on my ear. So now it's time to go ahead and lay our baby hairs. So take your edge brush and just kind of pull them apart. Because when you molding your lace, like, you kind of molding your edges too, so it can get a little crunchy right there. Just comb it out. All right, my babies, so y'all know we love a crisp part. Like, it just has to happen, like, for real. So let's go ahead and take our Ruby Kisses, and in the lightest shade, I'm using 09, and then I just like to, you know, just do a part. Make it as crispy as you can. It don't even have to be too much. And then take your Ruby, not your, yeah, I think this is, oh, this is Red by Kiss. And fix the line. Uh-oh, I messed up. Hold on, y'all. If you mess up, just fix it. Okay, so some spritz and just spray it, and then comb it in, blow dry it real quick. Now we can go ahead and finish our baby hairs. I'm gonna be using mousse because I just started using mousse and I love this one. It's like, it kind of holds it real firm, honestly. Like, normally mousse be a little too loose and stuff, but this one is like the perfect texture. I don't know what it is, but this one from Cream of Nature is just really good. So I'm just gonna use that. If you need to cut your baby hair just a little bit, be careful though. All right, baby, so the hard part is over. Let's go ahead and comb out our curls now. So I'm gonna take this comb right here. And let's just, really I want to finger comb them out. So I think I'm gonna take some Bio Silk and then just do that. Okay, so we're gonna take some Bio Silk. Y'all, look how full this hair is. I'm talking about, it's so full. It's 22 inches. The lace was very bomb. Thank you, babe, so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All of the details will be in the description box below. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Mwah.